Hey, what's up guys, it's Oyen here from the Tech Infos, back with another video. So in this video guys, I'm going to showcase you the all new Jio GigaFiber router. Now this is not the same router that you have seen all over the internet, but rather this is an upgraded Jio router, and this is also black in color, which I personally like. There has been certain improvements when it comes to connectivity, and since the Jio routers doesn't have this, they had certain range issues which the Jio representatives say that they have looked into and worked on. And also guys, there are certain design changes and the ports are aligned a bit differently than the previous router. And also guys, I was lucky enough to talk with the regional head of Jio, who shared with us some of the insights that I would like to talk in the later part of the video. It includes the initial package price, telephone connection, TV or DTH service, and also the internet as a whole, and why is it taking so much time, and what they said, or what he said rather, is very logical, I believe. So anyways guys, I will be talking about this in the later part of the video. Let's first start with the unboxing and showcase you the all new Jio GigaFiber router. Okay guys, now that you have seen the all new Jio GigaFiber router, it's time to talk about some of the deep inside talks. Anyways, now you must have seen the phone port behind the router, right? And you must be wondering like me whether at all Jio will be providing us with the telephone connection in this new modern age where people don't use wired telephone connections, which we should actually. Anyways guys, so it seems like we all were wrong, and at least in Kolkata, the regional head said that they are all set to launch the telephone connection very soon And this telephone connection, the wired telephone connection from Jio, will work a bit different than what we are used to from like companies like BSNL. Now, as you know, Jio works totally over the internet. Even the the TV connection or the DTH service that they will be providing will be over the internet. So most probably there will be no interruptions because of cloudy weathers and stuff like that, which we see in standard DTH services. Anyways, let's come back to the phone. We are getting diverted. So this phone connection will work a bit different. Yes, of course, you can attach your own telephone to the port directly on the router, but there's an alternative way they told me, and I have 50-50 hopes about that, but I don't know. They said that they are doing a bit of testing as of now, but most probably it will be rolled in that way too. Now, they said that your router will have a separate phone number, which is obvious, of course. So your router will have a separate phone number which will be directly linked to your Jio voice app on your smartphone. Now, what will happen is that if someone calls on that number, it will directly come to your phone, considering the fact that you are within the Wi-Fi range. So that's an alternative, and also the other alternative is that you can physically connect the telephone to the router and it will directly ring. So there are two alternatives that they are providing, and I believe it's a good thing because maybe many people don't have landlines. They must have thrown it away. So that's a problem. Now, there's one catch too. They won't be providing most probably the physical telephone to you. So it's up to you. If you have a telephone, you can simply attach it, or if you don't have a telephone, you either have to buy it or you have to connect the telephone line with your smartphone. Now it's very easy because, as I said, it will be working over the internet. Now let's talk about the DTH service or the TV service. Now there is a bit of problem and it will take about 1 to 2 months to get it started. Now there's a reason to it. Let me try to explain you that. Now, as you know guys, once Jio comes in the market, like once it commercializes, as of now the people who are taking are so-called early adopters. It's in a beta stage, and it's in just they're trying to set up their network as of now. So once they commercialize, most of the people will take Jio over any other connection because of the affordability, right? So that is the problem, and it will cause huge job losses. You can understand the people who provide us network, the people who provide us telephone connections, the people who provide us DTH services, all will just shatter, right? So this is a problem that Jio is taking seriously, and we have seen this problem with Jio's SIM cards too. Like companies just started earning negative profits. So based on what they said, what the regional head said, they said that they are trying to cooperate with the local DTH operators or cable operators, and they are trying to have a mutual agreement so that they can work with them to provide us with the networks, to provide us with the DTH services that we need, and also to come if in case we have certain problems and whatsoever. There was an incident that happened that people, like some local network peoples, are cutting the Jio fiber cables just because they are afraid. Now Jio is trying their best. I don't know whether they will be employing the existing local employees or not, but they are trying to mutually talk with them. They are trying to do something for them. Let's see what happens. So that's the reason the DTH service is delayed guys a bit, but once it commercializes, you will definitely get. The expected starting pack price is 500 rupees guys, 500 to 600 actually, and you must have read many articles which suggest that the base speed variant will be 50 Mbps I believe, but once again some insights say that it will be actually 100 Mbps. The base speed will be 100 Mbps. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you all found this video to be informative. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, and do share this video with your friends and families so that they know more about the Jio GigaFiber router's connection, and also what you can expect, what not to expect. So anyways guys, that's all for this video. Peace.